Presenting the Chrysler 2018 Pacifica Touring Plus. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. This vehicle's top features include 6 speakers, AM/FM radio, Sirius XM, GPS antenna input, radio data system, radio, Uconnect 4/7 display, Sirius XM satellite radio, air conditioning, automatic temperature control and front dual-zone AC. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact our dealership.